Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can delete a custom field in Salesforce. So maybe you created a field for testing or no longer needed, or just by mistake you created any field, you can delete that field very easily. So let's see how we can do that. Before we start, we need to remember one thing. You can only delete a custom field, not a standard one. Standard fields are provided by Salesforce only. We are not able to delete that fields. So then how to delete? So first we need one requirement. Currently I have an object like receipt. In this receipt object, I have one record. In that record, I don't need the bank name. So I want to delete this bank name. So how we can delete? First we need to click on gear icon, go to edit object, click on fields and relationships. In here, we need to search your field you want to delete. So currently I will search like bank. So this field I want to delete. So in here, you just click on this drop down. We have a delete option. If you click on delete, without knowing this field dependency, if we delete this field, it will affect it for backend coding. So that's why I just click on cancel. I will open this field. In here, we have an option like where is this used. If you click on that, we can see that where the current field is used. That current field used in only in the receipt layout means this field is currently present in receipt layout. It is not related to or dependent to Apex classes. So we can directly delete. So I will go to again quick find box. I will search that field. I will directly go to this drop down. I will delete this. So now I delete that field successfully. I will search it again. Currently, we don't have that field. So, but we need to remember one thing. For example, I need to delete one more field like receipt PDF. So I will click on delete. We are not able to delete this field. It will show one error like unable to complete this requested change. This custom field is referenced somewhere else in Salesforce. Means it is currently referenced for Apex class. So in that time, in that situation, we are not able to delete. Then I need to delete this one, but it will showing this error. So how to debug this or how to solve this? So first you need to click on Apex class. Currently, this Apex class uses that particular field. So that's why I just select that class. I will go to developer console. I will open that particular class. In here, we need to search that field, receive PDF. So currently it is referenced here. So just I will comment this line. So then in nowhere it is used. So then I will save it. Again I will go to that same. I will open that field. Again I will click on where is this used. So currently it is in receipt layout and reports. Now I will try to delete that field. So now I just click on that same drop down. I will click on delete. Now maybe it will complete. So now you can see that receipt PDF field is deleted. I will search that field again. So you can see I don't have that receipt PDF URL field. So what happens after the deleted? Whenever we delete a field, it does not get removed immediately. It will go into something called deleted fields. You can see I have an option like deleted fields. So in here you can see the all the deleted fields. So recover options. In Salesforce, we have a recovery options also. So if you deleted something by mistake, don't get panic. So you need to just go to fields and relationships, click on deleted fields, you will get all the deleted fields. So if you click on undeleted, the field is again recovered. So you can see that field is again recovered. Again, I will go to quick find box. I will search like receipt PDF URL. So you can see currently it is present. From using deleted fields, we can restore it back. So, but after some times, it is only happens before 15 days. After the 15 days, Salesforce automatically remove that deleted fields from permanently. After that, you can't recover that; it will gone. Then, what are the important things we need to remember when we need to delete the particular any custom fields? Check if it is used in reports, flows, or validation rules. So, this is how we can delete a custom field in Salesforce. I hope I explained very simple. Just be a little careful before deleting any custom field. That is my only request. I hope this has helped you. Thank you for watching this video.